I think it's finally going to happen. This month, we're expecting to see an event where Apple should unveil new MacBook Pros with a faster M1X Apple Silicon chip, an updated design, and improved display technology, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. Now, last year, we got new MacBooks in November, but historically, Apple has held its Mac events in October. In his latest Power On newsletter, Gurman says that the company is poised to announce M1X-powered MacBook Pros within the next month, noting that Apple typically does its major new Mac introductions in October, like I just mentioned. Now, Gurman also states that the Apple M1X chip, the likely name for a more graphics-intense and professional-focused M1 chip, is indeed still on tap for 2021. Now, we'll likely see it show up first in a new range of MacBook Pros in the next month and a higher-end Mac Mini at some point down the line. Now, the M1X has been developed in two variations, both with 10 CPU cores, 8 high performance and 2 high efficiency, and either 16 or 32 graphics cores. The new machines are also expected to come in 14 and 16-inch sizes, featuring new designs with improved thermals, brighter mini LED displays with higher resolutions and improved contrast, and again, there's going to be a more powerful variant of the M1 chip, presumably called the M1X, with also support for more RAM. The MacBook Pro is expected to regain some of its ports, such as HDMI, an SD card reader, and MagSafe for faster charging, and restore the physical function keys in place of the touch bar. There may also be other improvements such as a 1080p webcam, improved battery life, and more. And for more information, see our detailed guide, which I'm going to leave linked in the description down below. Apple is also believed to be working on a new high-end version of the Mac Mini, expected to launch this fall, and maybe they'll mention it at the event, though not totally sure if they're going to be released and available at the same time as the new MacBook Pro lineup. Apple did introduce an entry-level Mac Mini with the M1 chip last November, but it still needs to replace the high-end Intel versions that are currently in the lineup. The new Mac Mini is rumored to feature the more powerful M1X chip that we've talked about a bajillion times already, and a new design with additional ports, a magnetic power cable, and a plexiglass-like top. Aside from new Macs, there's also a possibility that the third generation AirPods could be announced at this event, as they've been believed to be ready for months now. The updated earbuds are expected to feature design that mirrors AirPods Pro, a shorter, wider charging case, and a next generation wireless chip, force sensor controls, a pressure relief system, and Qi charging as the standard. It would also not be unreasonable to expect the new AirPods to feature improved sound quality and better battery life, but there have been no rumors about these aspects specifically so far. The third generation AirPods are believed to be already in mass production and are expected to be released before the end of the year, so if they are going to make a big deal out of them and announce them somewhere, this event seems to make the most sense. So when is this October event going to happen exactly? While the date of Apple's rumored October event has not yet been confirmed, its timing has started to be narrowed down, giving us a hint at when we could see the event take place. Apple typically sends out event invites 1 week before an event that's usually held on a Tuesday. So for following that formula, there really aren't that many options left. So invites could either be going out this Tuesday for an event on October 19th, or the event's invite would go out on October 19th for the event taking place on October 26th. Again, the event could slip into November like it did last year, but that was more of the exception rather than the norm. Of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts on everything in the comments down below. Are you excited about these new Macs and even potential for new AirPods? Which one would you plan to get, 14, 16, or even a high-end Mac Mini? Let me know in the comments down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.